How are you doing, traders? Welcome again to Tie Out Today, where traders are built know what the market are really doing, what the big boys, what the big banks, institutions, the hedge funds, and the market makers are doing. So before we proceed, I would like to commit this video to the hand of God. Let God allow us to understand what we're trying to learn today, and let Jesus come through, open our mind, our understanding, and we can accumulate everything and put into practice and detect the right information and the right things to do before trading. Knowledge, how to put these things into practice and help them to scale out from these little manipulations or little confusions in this forex industry. We believe that you've answered the prayers. So guys, focusing on a topic which is popular and well familiar with everybody, both from the beginners to the pro, how to draw a trend line. Please like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. How you doing, traders? Welcome back to my screen. So today I'll be discussing a topic which is the trend line, mastering the trend line like a pro. So I'd like to show some illustration before we go back to the chart. So this is silver. So I'll be doing this on the silver USD. So let me show you some illustrations. So we have something like higher high, higher low, higher low, sorry, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So this is a trend. So let's do for bearish. Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So this is bearish. So I'm using my phone due to some reason. So I couldn't connect my phone to my PC due to some network issue. So I'll be using my phone so you can understand what I'm trying to do. So this is a characteristic of the uptrend, and the other one here is for the downtrend. So how do we draw a trend line? Drawing a trend line, the first thing you have to look at is what? The most obvious wick of the candle, lowest low. Now let's say for the uptrend. So I love using this instead of using the trend line like this, trying to stress myself, doing something like this. I'm coming, sorry. Something like this, doing something like this. And sometimes you can be also trying to do something like this, and you see, you get a mistake here. I think we are all seeing. So you can see the mistake here. So this one is out. This one, this place, because an issue for you. So how do we draw this? That's the question. How do we do this? So we pro do this. I'm sorry, this message from to upgrade. Now, how do pro do this? Very simple. To pick this trend line ray and now spot the most obvious low is for the uptrend, then is for like the bullish trend. Then now the two most obvious, I think we say obvious in it. Very simple. No need of stress here. No, I think it's just too easy. These are it is. Now the same thing applies to the selling, which is the bearish. Low and what? And this other one. And what? That's all. You can see. So please don't go and be doing something like this. You miss it. You miss it. You miss it. Doing something like this, trying to favor this one. Actually now, try to do something like this. What about this one? What about this? Now it's very simple. The most obvious touch. Simple, most obvious touch. Instead of doing something like this. Like this. This one is even better. This one is even better. So, but for me, I prefer just doing something like this. And for the pros, this is what they do. This is what they do. Very simple. This is what they do. They don't have to stress yourself. So let's move on to the chart and do some example using the chart. So let's do some example here. So I'm sorry. There's some examples here. I'm coming. Go to the weekly. Yeah. Yes. This is good. This is beautiful. It's beautiful. Yeah, now look at this one now. Let's check this. Now using the trend ray, we'll now pick from this low. Now let's pick from the lowest of it. Let's pick from here, the lowest low of it. For the man, it breaks the structure, and is a break of structure here. So now from here, we'll put our the trend ray. From this low back to this base. Simple. Obviously it. Very simple. Very, very simple. Now let's look for bearish aspect of it. And let's use this. And let's use this. From the highest of it all. I want this thing to be detailed, the eyes of it all. Then I told you the most obvious touches. You can see how the market did. Market respected this 1, 2, 3 times and broke. Then later we broke out, we retested it. We want to consolidate here. So this is how it is drawn. So I can see some little one here. Let me try this. Let's try this. Let's see this. This one from here to this. Obviously it's simple. That's how it is being drawn. So I'm doing this on my weekly. We want to scale down to the 4 hours and the rest. You come to see that this thing is very accurate. Very, very accurate. So these are the pros draw a trend line. So we'll be doing a little setup on, I'm sorry, that's using US oil. Let's go to the sorry, I prefer going there. Okay, let's use it 4 hours. Let's 4 hours. Okay, let's use this from. Okay, let's look at this. Obvious. Look at this. Guess. Okay, we can see it. Okay, let's just use this one, the major. See the trend, the major. So okay, now this is why you guys always see just moving. I see it's going down, staying up. Let's draw that together. Let's do that together. So remember, the most what? Obvious low. First low. Then it should be my last one. So now, this is how to draw a trend line. I hope you're seeing it. See, we've broken this bearish. Look at it, we've broken it, and now we tested it, and we broke this bearish trend. This one we broke it, and we ate the buy momentum. So now this one also, we're trying to retest this. You move this one, try to retest this, and maybe to the upside. The way I'm saying it, if I'm looking at it, maybe to the upside. So that is for this US oil. So these are the trend lines. Okay, let me just quickly do something here. Let's do something. From the low. Okay, let's do it again. The low is this. Low. Always saying it. Look at it. Simple. No, don't stress yourself. Please, that's the best way of doing it. So please, this I think we'll be stopping here. This should be the end of this video. So please like, share, subscribe, and please comment and tell me what kind of video do you want me to do. And by God's grace, my next video I'll be using my PC, not my phone. So I'll be using my PC. This should be the best way so you can all see it clearly. So let me go to my my watch on the watch list on trading view. So these are my watch lists. I have SP500, BTC, gold, USD, JPY, Euro, USD, GBP, USD, US oil, and the XY. So let's say something about the XY. Just stop playing. Yeah. So guys, the XY, what's really happening here? You know, I have my levels everywhere. Everything is just intact, man. Everything intact already. So let's go to the monthly. It's what I love doing. We go to the monthly. This is why we are here. This is why we are here. This is why we are here. I think we can see it now. What did I do? Let me try it again. Let me remove this. Let's do it together. So I'll be using my ray. The first touch, the second touch, and palm. You can see it. Palm. This is why we are still here. This is the reason why we are here. So maybe let's go to daily. Maybe we may have we have to break a break like this. If that's possible, then we are bearish. If this is possible, let's do this. Let's break like this and retest like this. Then I'll be heading downward. But if this is not the case, we have something like this. We have something like this. Oh, sorry, I received yours an incoming call. Sorry. So something like this from here. From here, then a break, then a retest, then this should be my next target. If this or this, any of them, I'll be buying from the market. So for you to know how I plotted my zone, my support and resistance zone, in fact these are my major zones that I do check for trading every day. So these are my zones that I check before placing a trade. So please, if you want to know this, please type on the comment section, just type teach us more on support and resistance. So I'll be the video. I have a course. Maybe if you want, if you're interested, I won't force you to buy it. If you really want to make money from the market, you can buy the course. It's not too expensive, just $. I'll be giving you the course for $70. So it has been helping me for a long time, for a long run. So please, if you know you want to overcome the forex market and make profit, make money for yourself, look at now. If you want to know how to do this the perfect way, please remember, just message me. And so I'll be leaving my WhatsApp number there in the description of this video. So please do well and message me. So please remember to like, to share, to subscribe, and so that it will please encourage me to do more videos. So please, thank you. Peace out. God bless you.